Welcome to Lady Luck HQ Respins, where we show you some of our best jackpots.
See the TV, and we're gonna try to get one of these maxed out majors. You see what I'm talking about? That is what I'm talking about. Okay, lovey-dovey. Are you ready?
No, baby.
3 flags, 6 fireballs. 3 flags. You're supposed to get 3 there, not 2.
I'll do better next time. I didn't see the minor fly by.
You did? I did not. I'm gonna have to rewatch it. Come on, 3 more. Really? Oh, come on. Oh, God, get it. Oh, it was... That was me. Come on. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop. Come on, Dragon Link. You're being the meanest machine in the casino. The meanest machine.
Bye-bye.
Fireballs right now. Flags. One more. Yes.
4 again. Alright, it's time to redeem itself.
Good luck kisses. Good luck kisses.
Alright, let's make a prediction. What do you think? Realistically, what are you going to get here?
The major.
Overall win, what are you going to get?
$11,397.
I guess $7 grand.
Okay. Need some work?
Nope.
No.
Him. Okay.
Anya.
Probably be maybe $1,000 bucks. 7.
Orbs.
No.
Shush. Alright, bonus and a bonus. Last spin. Oh.
Ooh.
Well, we were both
slightly off.
off on the win amount. We have high hope. We were totally going for more, but Dragon Link had a different story he wanted to tell. All right. Come on. We got that one.
Last night?
Last night. Oh, Dragon Link.
But,
Come on. Oh my God.
What a hit.
There it is. That's what was needed. Okay. You have redeemed yourself.
What a hit.
That's an amazing hit. Keep it going. Whackity whack. Let's go.
Some huge.
Whack. Come on, save the day right here. Save it. Save it. Save it. Ah, yes. Keep it going. Keep it going. These orbs are massive. Come on. Come on. Don't tease me like this.
Save the day.
Save it. Whack. Woo. Okay. Well, that was the one we were looking for. That's the one we were looking for with the 4 flags. That's the one we were looking for with the 4 flags. But it came through with the fireball bonus. Ah!
That's insane.
Okay, alright. Now my
'Cause
blood.
we weren't betting very high at all earlier. We were just
Yeah,
keeping it
but
to 50. And then bada bing.
I woke up.
I woke up.
Ooh. Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, 3 more. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. I still have no idea what he's saying. I just make up my own words and sound effects.
The aristocrat just put nonsense in there. But I think they did.
Come on. Be so nice. Blue, blue, blue. We need another fireball bonus.
For 5 of the flags.
5 flags would be pretty amazing. What does that pay, just 5 flags? Because 4 flags on a $50 bet is
I'd imagine
$750.
$1,500. I'd imagine it pays $1,500.
Come on, Dragon Leg. There it is. There it is.
Well, some 280.
280. I feel like that should have been more.
Bum, bum, bum.
Blue, blue, blue. Get it. Yes, another 100.
Good luck, Kiss.
Good luck, kiss. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Need some work. Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ba-dum. Oh.
Hank.
Ooh.
Okay, it's decent.
Rummy.
How much you think?
1,000.
I'm gonna guess 1,200.
Wow. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Fireball. Oh. The fireball's got in the way.
This means I think you're gonna get a full screen of Hank right now.
Come on. Come on, Hank. Full screen of Hank. Full screen of Hank.
Oh my god. That's huge, Randy.
That is huge. That is huge. Okay, wait. Let it count out because we got this line here. We got this line here, the K's here, and then
Snapchat worthy.
Snapchat worthy. Full screen of Mr. Hank. Well, almost full screen of Mr. Hank on $100 Wow. Wow, look at that number there. Look at that number. Okay, Hank, I see you. I see you, Mr. Hank. Wow, this is insane. It's my favorite jam.
Yeah, it's the best.
Wow. Okay.
Still gonna keep going.
It is? Okay. Wow. Holy shit. Okay, Hank. Okay.
What did you win?
Would you look at that? Over 10,000, over 11,000, over $11,000. OMG. Wow. Ooh, okay. I'm liking these early morning. Oh, wait. Toby's gonna do the quick pay. And Hank is being a nice man today. He's being very nice. We like our Hank.
Hank?
We named him Hank, if you haven't caught on to that. His name is Hank.
Maybe what we do is we won't play it past 17 and we'll do $100 spins.
Okay, let's go. Rumi. That was insane. Jenga!
Like mix it up a little bit.
Okay. Mixing. Come on. I'm trying to get that major. Well, we kind of already got it with Hank.
Yeah. Well, we could always add more, not to be greedy or anything, but
Come on. You know
see a
you?
minor?
I did. I saw it. Flag. Flag. Oh, that was close. Come on. Don't be like this. We like you way more when you're giving, not when you're taking. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on.
thanks.
Wake up. Wake up. Oh, the 2 flags are right up there at the top. Did you see it?
Yep. 2 more.
2 more hits. Roomy. I saw the minor fly by. Okay.
Last one.
Last push. Last push. Oh, wow. What a session. What a session on Dragon Link. Wow. We have made it back to Eureka Blast, aka Dirty Santa. That is what we are working with. Lovey, lovey, lovey dovey.
Let's go there.
Oh wait, hold on, hold on.
Good?
Yeah, we're good now. I had it set up with the window in there, but
Cool.
yeah. So we need, for this game, the popcorn is wild.
AKA the gold.
It's a gold nugget, but it looks like popcorn, so it's fun to call it popcorn because I'm always thinking about food. That is the bonus symbol, 3 of those. Or 6 of the fire sticks.
AKA dynamite.
They are dynamite, but we call them fire sticks.
Just clarifying for anybody new watching.
Come on. Oh my gosh. Sounded good. Come on. Oh, what lined up? Oh, the buckets. Okay.
40?
Wow, I didn't even see it. Come on. Come on. Wipe out. That's what we need to hear right now. You pulling on my mask string? Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
it's pulling on these little ears.
Uh-huh. Do it.
Come on.
Oh, wipe out.
Bam, bam.
Here comes 12 free games. Okay. That'll be a nice hit. Got those J's, the A's, the Dirty Santa.
Like you say, we go this way, that way, that way.
Go away. Look at that. That's a nice hit. Go. Here, over the
This is
hand.
the one where you don't press it, it just stays like this.
Oh,
That's why
I'm
you keep
sorry. That's
pressing
why
it.
you keep pressing it. Sorry, I didn't. And then what was that all about?
Re-trigger the dynamite.
Close. Got the little ass, the A's, and the hat.
More to do some damage.
We're back.
Wipe out.
We're back. We're back. Minimize. All right. Now we got to get the fire stick bonus.
My little ears.
Nice. Come on, fire stick.
Something crazy.
I know. Come on. Come on, fire sticks.
Oh. Keep going?
Entirely up to you. Oh my gosh, I thought we were gonna have it. Oh, these games.
Stress. The stress of playing slots. What a tough life. Yeah.
Come on. Oh my! Boy, there it is. Yes. Hey.
Last time on the screen is.
Okay. Come on, Dynamite. Okay.
These two really.
That works.
That one's gotta
Yes.
be the full one.
Get it. All right. Okay, we're back. You want
Back.
to keep it going? Keep it alive.
We'll do some backup spins.
Okay. Very Santa. Come on. Get it. Oh, it sounded so good. Come on. Yes. Oh,
Nice.
wow, wow, we've never gotten 4 before.
Awesome.
Does that pay, Norris?
Yeah. Okay,
does.
750.
Boy, wow. Let's go. Yes. There it is.
The dynamite got in the way.
They did. big bonus in this.
I think it's possible.
It just doesn't seem possible. I mean, I see them, but... Wow, it's a monster win, but it is. Oh, I know. Wow. Okay. All right. Lovey-dovey. I say we play to 9 and then...
You got it.
And then maybe move on. We'll get it. Come on.
210.
Okay. Come on, 3 more. Do it. Oh.
I'd love it for just to fill up the
Fill it
whole
all up.
screen at
Is
once.
that even possible?
Sure, it's possible.
I mean, like, has anyone ever seen it?
No.
Because that would be pretty exciting to see. Come on.
What about us?
Oh, I thought you had it too. Come on.
Come on, Dirty Santa.
Do we have another bonus in us? Oh my god! Holy cow! Let's go! Hey, here we go. Okay?
Wow.
Okay? Come on. Come on, come on, do it! Okay? Alright.
I think the minor is out like on the right.
Oh my god, it's making me so nervous.
Oh, wow, there's some big numbers. Oh, shit.
Okay, alright. Are we ready?
Minor. Not bad at all.
Alright.
3,700. Just happened again.
Another pancake. Bum, 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 bum. Wow, lovey. Okay, it's got some more pushes in it. Let's keep going. Two more.
angels that poop.
They are. They're angels that poop. Wow. I wish one of these times when you do something crazy like that, like it happens, you know?
You want to take it past 11?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. But I sense another jackpot coming.
I do too.
Wipe out. Fire stick! Fire stick!
Something, you know?
Yeah. Come on.
Right here. 12?
That's a nice hit. You.
Me. Full screen to 99.
Oh. Alright, last spin right here. Wow. What a session on Dirty Santa, aka Eureka.
Thanks for being an awesome viewer. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and keep up with this journey.